Alright, so I'm in front of the Star CNC doing a little walk around video. You can see this place is beautiful. Got a nice Trimist collector, little part conveyor escape in the back of it. This is in like a prototype R&D department. Chip pan all cleaned out and drained up. They got fire suppression in there, which they're keeping that bottle, but not the system. It's got a cool blaster. This is 10 years newer than the machine, maybe 15. I think it's like a 08. There's the bar loader. Nice LNS. Look at that beefy piece of square tube steel on that thing. Holy cow. Here's the here's the machine hydraulic pump. Everything in this thing. This is a good running machine. I have a video of it running. I'm not having them start it up because it's a good running machine, and I already did a video, and I don't want to be a pain in their ass. But it's a beautiful machine. I got dimensions I'll add to it. The bar loader is 13 feet long. The machine is 8 feet wide, 6 feet front to back on the machine. That's about 7.5 feet tall.